Hello students, I think all of you are safe now. Due to COVID-19, we are not being to able face-to-face classes. In this kind of situation, communication has been a big challenge and I hope we have that connection during such times. Now today myself and Paul going to discuss about the syllabus of mathematics of class 8. In class 8, first chapter is rational number. In this chapter, you will study properties of rational numbers, representation of rational number on the number line, rational number between two rational numbers. Next, second chapter. Second chapter is linear equation in one variable. In this chapter, you will study what is linear equation, how to solve a linear equation in one variable, some application. Next, chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. In this chapter, we have polygons, some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon, kinds of quadrilateral, some special parallelograms. Next, chapter 4, practical geometry. In this chapter, you will study how to construct a quadrilateral and some special cases. Next, chapter 5, data handling. In this chapter, we have how to organize data, and also you will study how to grouping the given data. Also we have pie chart, chance and probability. Next, chapter 6, square and square roots. In this chapter, we have properties of square numbers, finding the square of a number, how to find square roots of a number, how to find a square root of a decimal number, estimating square root. Next, chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. In this chapter, you will study how to find cubes of a number, how to find cube root of a number. Next, chapter 8, comparing quantities. In this chapter, we have ratios and percentage, finding the increase and decrease percentage, finding the discount, profit and loss, sales tax, value-added tax, compound interest, application of compound interest formula. Next, chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identity. In this chapter, we have what are expressions, terms, factors and coefficients, monomials, binomials and polynomials, like and unlike terms, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, multiplication of algebraic expression, what is identity, application of identities. Next, chapter 10, visualizing solid shapes. In this chapter, we have view of 3D shapes, their faces, edges and vertices. Next, chapter 11, mensuration. In this chapter, you will study how to calculate area of trapezium, area of general quadrilateral, area of polygons, surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder, volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Next, chapter 12, exponents and powers. In this chapter, we have powers with negative exponents, laws of exponent. Next, chapter 13, direct and inverse proportion. In this chapter, you'll study about direct proportion and inverse proportion. Next, chapter 14, factorization. In this chapter, you'll study what is factorization, division of algebraic expressions. Next, chapter 15, introduction to graphs. In this chapter, we have linear graphs and some applications. Next, chapter 16, last chapter, playing with numbers. In this chapter, you will study numbers in general form, game with numbers, and test of divisibility. Thank you. Part 2 coming soon.